Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace a forward edge key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's important to have the correct battery type on hand before you begin. Make sure you're working in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small parts. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to separate the casing without causing any damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or a fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms the fob is securely closed. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You should notice an immediate improvement in its responsiveness. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.